Hey everyone, ever wonder how you can make a crystal clear call from your laptop to a phone halfway across the world instantly? That magic is VoIP, the engine running every modern office today. If you're still on old landlines, you're missing out a huge saving and total flexibility. In this video, we're gonna talk about VoIP. I'm Ramtin, and to support the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's dive in. So let's break down what VoIP is, why it's such a big deal, and how it all works, all in about 5 minutes. So let's just set the stage here. On one side, you have the old way, right? We're talking expensive hardware being literally chained to your desk and a system that was built just for one thing, voice calls. But on the other side, you've got new way powered by VoIP, and it completely flips the script. It is affordable, it follows you whatever you need to work, and it brings all of your communication tools together into one powerful platform. Okay, so what exactly is this technology that makes all of this possible? Let's pop the hood and take a look. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, but honestly, don't get hung up on the name. The concept is actually really simple. Instead of using those old copper phone lines, VoIP takes your voice, chops it up into little digital data packets just like an email or a photo, and sends it over the internet connection you're already paying for. And just by treating voice like any other kind of data, VoIP unlocks some incredible perks. First, it's way cheaper because you're just using internet you already have. Second, it's super scalable. You can add or remove phone lines in seconds. And third, you get total flexibility. You can take your office phone number with you anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So you might be wondering, how does the internet actually handle a live phone call without it turning into a garbled mess? Well, it all comes down to a couple of key rules, or as they call it in tech world, protocols. Now, there are really only two protocols that you need to know about: SIP and RTP. Think of it like this. SIP is the call coordinator. It is the brains of the operation that sets up the call, makes the other phone ring, and hangs everything up at the end. Once SIP has established that connection, RTP, the data courier, jumps in and handles the job of actually carrying your voice back and forth in real time. So the whole process is actually pretty slick. First, SIP, our coordinator, sets up the call channel. Then your voice gets converted into those little data packets. Next, RTP, the courier, takes over and streams those packets across the internet. And finally, once you're done talking, SIP steps back to officially end the call. Simple as that. You know, back in the day, most offices had this big clunky hardware box stashed in a closet somewhere. It was called the PABX. It was expensive, it was a pain to manage, and it tied you to one physical location. Thankfully, the VoIP completely changed the game, paving the way for the powerful software-based systems we have today. So today you've really got two main choices. You can go on-premise, which means you own and manage the server yourself. That gives you the maximum control, or you can go with a Cloud PBX, where a provider hosts everything for you for a simple monthly fee. And honestly, this cloud model has become the #1 choice for most small and medium-sized businesses. And that brings us to a really important term you'll hear a lot, UCaaS. That stands for Unified Communications as a Service. And the big idea here is that modern VoIP isn't just about phone calls anymore. It's about having one single platform that pulls everything together. Your voice calls, your meetings, team chat, mobile apps, you name it, whatever you want. And for today's remote and hybrid teams, this is absolutely essential. And the power you get from a unified platform is just immense. We're talking about being able to switch a regular phone call into a full-blown video meeting with a single click. Or you can get real-time data and analytics from your calls powered by AI. It's all about handling every single piece of communication in one spot, something those old systems couldn't even dream of. Okay, so who are the major companies that you should know about in this space? Let's pull out a map. You can really break the market down into three main camps. First, you have the open source options like Asterisk. These are super powerful and free, but you need some serious technical chops to run them. Then you've got the enterprise giants like Cisco and Avaya. They still run the show in massive corporate call centers. And finally, you have the modern apps. Think Microsoft Teams and Zoom Phone. which are basically turning the software you already use every day into your main phone system. That is great. And kind of sitting right there in the middle of all that are user-friendly commercial options like 3CX, which offer a really nice balance of power and simplicity for a ton of businesses. Alright, now, as great as all this sounds, VoIP is not perfect, and it is really important to understand the potential downsides before you decide to jump in. The number one risk is, ironically, also the greatest strength: your network and internet connection. Your VoIP system lives and dies by it. If your network and internet goes down, your phones go down, period. That's it. It's a single point of failure that you absolutely have to plan for it. The second critical issue to think about is 911. Look, a traditional landline is tied to a physical street address. So if you call for help, they know exactly where you are. But with VoIP, you could be calling from anywhere in the world. The system doesn't automatically know your location, and that is a crucial detail you have to manage yourself. And the fourth, since it's all on the internet, you have to make sure your provider has a rock-solid security and encryption. Look, even with the risks, the conclusion is clear. VoIP is the absolute standard for how modern businesses communicate. I hope this guide gave you a sharp, clear look at the landscape, from the cloud to the best vendors. If it was helpful, please do me a favor, like and share this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.